What's up, guys? It's Sammy Geek back here with a quick video for you guys. Today is a quick review of 3 different cases that I picked up for the Pixel Fold. And first things first, I wanted to kind of highlight what my findings were of just having these cases. I actually took one of them and I did tape the front, the top and the bottom together to get a little bit of a feel of what the phone would feel like, in the pocket and so forth. Of course, you're not going to have the weight behind it, but it gives you an idea on the size. You're not going to see it from this angle, but the first thing I noticed was that the phone is ultra thin compared to the Fold 4. I'm a Fold 4 user and I've been a foldable user for quite some time. And just as a quick side note, it's interesting because when you look at the reviews of the Pixel Fold device in general, a lot of the reviewers are not extremely surprised or not extremely enthusiastic about the phone. But I want to say there's 2 different types of people. One, there's professional phone reviewers, and 2, there's actual day-to-day, daily driver foldable users. And if you're like me, and you rock a foldable phone, or you've been in the US anyway, and you're using a Fold 4 or something similar, you probably have a wish list of 3 particular things. That would be 1, to have a much more usable front screen. 2 would be to have a thinner device. And then 3 would be to have better cameras. And I think Pixel knocked it out of the park with all 3 of those things because they're giving us a much more usable front screen, they're giving us the better cameras, and they're giving us a thinner, much more pocketable device. So the first thing I did was taped this case together and threw it in my pocket. As compared to this, you can tell that it is a thinner device, and it kind of is reminiscent of the old school phones. If you guys remember back in the day, like look at some of the original Notes, like the Notes that first came out, the Samsung Notes. They were wider and shorter back in the day. And then for whatever reason, they started getting narrower and longer. And then they came out with the Fold devices, which were like insanely narrow and long, more like the candy bar form. So I was excited to see what felt like a little bit of the old school format where it was wider and narrow. And I always thought that was personally more usable than even like something like the more modern Notes or what I'm filming on now, the Pixel 7 Pro. And of course, then I have another phone here, which is another Pixel device, but that's on a little different level because it's such a small phone. But so that was the first thing I noticed when I looked at these cases. I noticed ultimately I was really wowed by how thin the device was. When I set it next to the Fold 4, and once I put it in my pocket, I knew it was a done deal. So for me personally, for the Pixel device, I think it's all going to come down to battery. If the battery holds up like the Fold 4, I think we're going to be in business. But I picked up all 3 of these cases for sort of different use cases. One, this is more of a grippy case. To me, this one is going to probably provide a little bit more protection against slipping and a little bit more fall protection. I also happen to like the color, so I picked up that one specifically for mainly the color, and it has a kind of like a light sandpaper feel to it, for lack of a better term. Then the next case, the reason I picked up this one was specifically for the card holder. And the reason I say that is because in certain times I will carry my phone and just simply like a credit card and a driver's license. And, if I'm going to, go somewhere where I just want to have, a minimal amount of things on me, but I'm absolutely going to have my phone, then I'll stick my cards in it. Because there's been a day where I would stick my cards in my pocket with my phones, and when I take my phone out of my pocket, my cards fly out and fall on the ground. So I found these cases to be super helpful. They hold the cards really tight, and you've got your cards in your phone, and you're good to go. So one thing in your pocket, and you're off. So my favorite of the bunch is this Aramid carbon fiber case. The reason I like these the most is because I think it offers the ultimate in thinness. I'll show you guys how thin this thing is. It's ridiculous. But also, it gives an extreme amount of grip. So see how thin that thing is? But if you've never used an Aramid cover before, it's not tacky, I don't want to say. It's not sticky, but it just offers like a very unique grip. And I found these. I don't have the AirMed cover right now. I was just trying a silver cover on my Fold 4. But historically, with most of my phones, I use the AirMed cover because I don't drop my phones very often, knock on wood. If I do, it gives it a little bit of protection, but mainly it keeps the device feeling just about factory thin, and then it gives it a nice grip, as well as I think it happens to look premium. I really like this is real carbon fiber, or at least it appears to be real carbon fiber. And if you go on Amazon and you look at the AirMed cases / carbon fiber, you'll find these usually run for most phones about $20 to $40. That's how you know usually it's the real carbon fiber. It's not a carbon fiber look, it's actually carbon fiber. So my favorite case by far is going to be this. And I was messing around with this case a little bit and holding it together and looking at it, and I'm just amazed how thin the Pixel is going to be, and I think this is going to be my go-to case. The downside to this case is this front piece here has a little piece of tape or clear that you would remove, and so it has a tacky or sticky tape here that you'll then push against the display. So when you put this guy on here, oops, other way. When you put this guy onto your Pixel, it'll stick in the corner and it'll stay attached right here. So if you want to peel it off, you kind of just gently need to peel it off and then put your other case on, whatever other case you're going to do. But if you repeat that over and over and over, of course, the sticky's not going to, it's not going to be so tacky anymore. So that's the downside of this case. But I find that I tend to use this case the majority of the time. This case, this gray case here, and this particular wallet case, were only a few bucks, and so I just decided to add that into my arsenal. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this helps. If you guys are in the market for a couple cases, I bought these with my own money. Just, they're pretty inexpensive cases, but I wanted to be teed up for when the Pixel Fold arrives and be set to go. The biggest thing for me, the biggest takeaway at the end of the day was I was able to see the thinness as compared to the Fold 4. Also get a little bit, envision what it would feel like to be able to use the Pixel Fold. So I'm pretty excited for that. And thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon.